Are you looking for ways to get more customers to your food truck? Awesome. Thanks for joining this video because that's exactly what we're going to talk about here today. I'm going to help you figure out ways to get more customers to find and eat at your food truck. And we're going to talk about this in this video, even if you've never done any marketing before, even if you're just brand new to starting your food truck and ready to get started figuring out how to attract customers, or if you've been around for a while, but you're going to a new area and trying to sort through how do you develop and grow your business from here. This video is going to be for you. We're going to break down exactly what to do to get more customers for your food truck. But first, why does this matter at all in the first place? Can't you just park somewhere and have there be traffic and get customers to show up? Well, kind of, but then you're missing out on a whole group of customers that are going to become fans of your food truck, fans of the food that you eat, that are going to look for it, that are going to want to know where you're going to be, that are going to become potentially loyalty customers and find you on lunch breaks and things like that, and maybe even attend events they wouldn't have gone to just because your food truck's going to be there, which gives you a really good reason to talk to events about having your food truck be there, right? So there's all types of things that you can do to enhance your marketing and grow your business for your food truck, more so than just showing up in a spot where there's people, right? So we're going to break that stuff down today. Okay, first up, think about your branding. Your food truck cannot just be a kitchen on wheels. It has to be a billboard for your business, and you have to make it pop. Use bright colors. Make sure you have your catchy name there and it's easily visible. Make sure you have your logo visible. So think about like Joe's Taco Truck with vibrant greens, catchy cactus logo. It's simple, yet it's unforgettable, and that's what you're aiming for. Next, let's talk about social. Social media is going to be your best friend for keeping that loyal group of customers finding you and eating with you. Create an Instagram or a Facebook page for your truck. Post photos of your dishes, and don't forget to use hashtags that are local, right? Like Denver food truck love, things like that. Engage with your followers, share behind the scenes fun, and update your location regularly. This way people can find you and keep those pictures flowing right before mealtime so that people perusing social media all of a sudden going to think, wow, that's actually where I think I'm going to eat. That looks tasty. All right, make sure you collaborate because that's going to be huge for you. Partner with local events, breweries, or markets. It's a win-win. You get some exposure to new customers and the event gets an awesome food option. Imagine your truck at a local craft fair, serving up hot snacks to happy shoppers. This doesn't just happen. Don't sit there and wait for the phone to ring or wait to get an email inviting your food truck. You get out there and sell it. Just like in any other business, it's going to be driven by how hard you work at selling it. Call the events, call the breweries, call the markets. Make sure you are networked to put your food truck in hot demand, right? You're going to do that by having a consistent sales effort on these distribution channels, these partner networks of breweries, events, and markets, so that they all are vying to get your food truck to be the one at their fair. All right, now too many food trucks forget the power of loyalty. There is no reason your food truck cannot have a loyalty program. Offer one, right? Like a stamp card. It's super simple. Buy 10 sandwiches, get one free. Who wouldn't love a free lunch? And now you're not just incentivizing the people who are around your food truck to come, but now other people are going to want to follow your food truck, come find it and drive to it just to keep eating there to get that free lunch, which is ultimately going to mean more business for you. All right, last but not least, be a part of the community. Participate in local charity events or festivals. It's not just good for your business, it's also going to be good for your reputation, right? People love supporting businesses that give back to the community. All right, there you have it. That's simple and effective marketing strategies for your food truck and your business. Remember, it's all about getting seen, being social, being part of the community. Now go out there and let it shine. If you like, share, and subscribe to this, I'd appreciate it. And if you don't have a website yet, click on the link below to Mighty Sites. Give it a try. It's only $9 a month, and there's a 7-day free trial. Appreciate you being here. We'll catch you in the next video.